Okay, so I'm going to replace the belt, the drive belt on this pool cleaning robot. This is the dry belt on here. And so first thing you got to do is get these filters out and just remove these two screws. Lift this so that I can get this door off. Now I'm going to turn this upright so that I can get to it. You can see the dry belt here. We got a drive pulley, got some shredding on the belt, and some missing teeth. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the driven belt, or the driven pulley, and I'm going to remove the pulley on the other side. So pop these off, keep them straight so I know which one's what, because they're pretty close to the same. So I'm going to throw that aside and get my replacement belt. All right, so this is a 162 XL. And I believe I do have one just like it here. These are standard size belts. I'm going to start off with the drive pulley, or the first driven pulley. So we'll get it on the drive pulley, get it on the first driven pulley, and we gotta make sure that these all line up. The locking portion of it is way up here, so you may have to try a couple times to get it just right. So that doesn't feel like it's quite right. Turn it a little bit. When it goes, it'll slide all the way in. Maybe find exactly where we want it to be and hook it up that way. There it is. Okay. Whoops, lost a collar. Collar. Get that on the drive pulley. Drive pulley. There we go. Okay, so that's good and solid. Now I want to do the same sort of thing over here. So I want to find where this one fits. Okay. And then get that like that. Now I'm just replacing screws. And the access door. Fits in on the bottom, like this. One thing to be sure of is that you have the belt, the drive belt is down here. That's the belt that it drives on. And that's it. Just tighten up these other two screws and you're done.